Hey, what's up, guys? Donnie here, and you're watching Big Drone Flyer 77. When we come back, I got the SG. This is the 1203 crawler right after this. Hey, welcome back, everyone. Thanks for joining me today on this edition of Big Drone Flyer 77. As you can see, this is not how it comes. I have already bashed this. I got a video coming right after this unboxing. There wasn't really anything in there, so that's why I didn't do a big unboxing on this. This is that SG-1203. This is the Ripsaw. This is actually a U.S. Army military tank that was designed back in the earlier 2000s by the Howe brothers. This is more the luxury style that are sold to private buyers. So that's why it looks more like this instead of military. I'll show you some pictures while I'm talking here so you can see the actual real one. But it's pretty cool. The doors open up on this thing, you guys. If you got little action figures, you could put them in there, which would be awesome for kids, especially with Christmas coming up. This thing is definitely worth the money. It's got independent suspension. It is plastic, but the gears inside are metal, you guys. I'm going to leave a couple links. The one I bought, I got this thing for dirt cheap. I had some coupons. I'll try to find some coupon codes for you guys, see if we can get the price down. But it's under $60 right now, and this is super fun, and it's one of my favorites. They have another link where you not only get these rubber tracks here, which stay on really good, you actually get metal ones as well, but you're looking at an $80 plus buy for that version. But like I said, I'll try to get some coupons. If so, I'll put them in the link below with the website from Banggood where I bought this. So, but anyways, yeah, the Ripsaw, the real one, is awesome, you guys. I mean, the Howe brothers built it back in 2000 for the military. They had unmanned ones that didn't have any passenger carrying in here. They did it for the U.S. Army, so they can go and do like a bomb search and rescue, just all kinds of stuff, and it was pretty cool. And then they just started making ones like this later on in the 2000s, and then started selling them to private owners, you know, where they're actually really decked out. So it's pretty cool. And original motors in these things, in the real one, was like, I think 1,500 horsepower for the gas one, 1,800 horsepower if you ordered the diesel version. So these things definitely had some power, and they had a top range of like 65 miles an hour, and they could go like 275 miles or something like that. So, but anyways, the toy version is pretty cool. It's fast. You'll see in the video here. Let me get to it real quick. Here's the on and off switch. I took the screw out. I do recommend putting that in just in case you bash and these clips pop open. I put the screw back in, you guys. Kept it off so I could show you the battery compartment, which the battery compartment is actually really big. So you can convert this to a Lipo, a 2S, because this lithium ion is 7.4 volt and it's 1200 milliamps. So you get, I believe it's supposed to be like around 20 minutes of drive time. And I drove for 10 or 15 minutes with no problem at all. So I'm going to keep the video short for the drive. That way you guys ain't watching it for 20 minutes. But I'm going to change the plug out. Probably put like a Dean's connector or one of my common ones that I have the most batteries of that will fit in this compartment, because this compartment is about that deep. So you can fit a nice battery in there. You can see how long it is. So that's pretty cool. Anyways, that's that. And always definitely unplug your battery after use so you don't burn out your ESC. There's a chance of doing that with anything, drones, RC cars. I always recommend definitely taking the battery and unplugging it, and store your battery in a fire safe box too, of course. But tank part of it, and then you got the controller's actually pretty cheap. Just a toy grade, which ain't bad. This thing's got about an 80-meter range, and I believe it takes about 3 hours to charge that battery. So it's not too bad. This takes, I think, 3 AA's. Yeah, 3 AA's. And then you just got the on and off switch. There's no trim, no nothing. It's just ready to run forward, backwards, and then 360 turns, and it turns really sharp fast. So, but it's pretty fast, you guys. You get a USB charger here. It's got the charge port there to plug the battery in. Then you can plug it into your computer or a wall socket and plug it in. Nothing much on the manual. That's where it's pretty cheap on the manual, you guys. So, you know, it's got everything you need to know, though. I mean, that's basically it, because there's really nothing to this this crawler, they call it, which is SG-1203. So, but it's well detailed, you guys. So it's got all the information you need to know. So that's good. It's in English and Chinese. So, all right, guys, let's go ahead and get to that run, and then I'll have a little bit of, you know, my conclusion at the end. So stay tuned for that. Alright guys, this thing is totally awesome, man. I'm glad I bought it. I got it for under 60 bucks. I even had a coupon code, another 15% off. So I think I got it just like around $50 USD. If I get that same coupon code, I'll definitely leave it in the descriptions. Like I said, I bought this one because it's just, I knew it was going to be fun, and it's definitely worth the money, you guys. It's got all metal gears in this. If you buy the $85 kit, they send you with the rubber tracks and metal ones, so I'll leave a link for that one as well. So all right guys, check it out on Banggood. I'll leave the links down below. So like always, God bless, cheers, and happy driving.